are going to be fitting these mud guards to this VW Golf 1.6 twin turbo 500 bhp. Yeah? Are we ready?
Yeah.
So first things first, you need to know which side is for what. So we've already figured this one out because of the two holes here. It fits on the two holes on the mud guard, so it should be pretty simple if all goes well and you've bought decent things. To make life easier, what I did was I turned the wheels out so it's easier access to these two bolts here. In it, bye.
Yep. Yeah.
Screw it, yeah. These can be a bit rusted, so you just gotta sometimes wiggle it in. Try not to slip them because they are star keys
Yeah.
do tend to slip. So this one's been a bit funny. Oh, it's really tight that. So I'm gonna go get my
Hammer.
star key set and a hammer so we can hammer that in. Okay,
I'm
so I'll
gonna
be
go
back
get a hammer.
in a minute
Got the hammer.
with the tools. Get the ratchet out the ratchet box.
And the hammer.
We've got the hammer.
We're gonna smash it, car.
No, we only smash scrap cars that we're scrapping. Okay?
Alright. Can you smash my own car? Can you smash your own car and got it?
No, yeah.
Yes.
Move. Excuse me. Let's get what size it is. So it's this size hammer. Just put it in the hole. And slightly tap till it's in the hole nice and tight. Let's get the 10mm in the socket.
Let's come get some rocks.
Push and twist. And hopefully it should come out without snapping. Oh, snapping! I got the ratchet on my nose. But yeah, that should come out without snapping.
That should come out now.
It's out now. We have both bolts out. Now, holes should line up nicely. There we go. Do we need to do anything else?
Nope.
No. So their holes are lined up now. Let's get the socket. Let's get it in the hole. That one's in. Now, before we tighten that one up, let's get the other star key. Get that in the hole also. There's the hole.
Don't waste stuff.
Hole's a bit further down on this one.
No, it's fine.
To try pulling.
What's that do with it?
Put it in the hole. Yeah, we've got it in. Let's tighten them up now. Stop it. Let's tighten them up. Excuse me. You're supposed to excuse me after the burp.
Excuse me.
Pardon me.
Pardon.
Yeah.
Pardon me.
Pardon me.
Pardon me.
Pardon me.
Pardon me. Pardon me.
Okay. Let's double check. That's it. They're both in. That is literally it. It's not the best fit because there's still a little gap on the top, but it fits nicely here. But they're aftermarket, so they will have to do. It looks a lot better, doesn't it? Already. So same again on this side. As you can see, we've turned the wheel over. Let's hammer the star key in the hole. Push and twist. Left, loose. What is it, boys?
Left, loose.
Right, tight.
Right side.
Left, left,
Left,
loose.
loose.
Right,
Right,
tight.
tight.
Left,
Left,
loose.
loose.
Right,
Right,
tight.
tight.
So you're gonna know now.
Yeah.
So which way is loose?
Loose left,
Yeah.
loose left. I wasn't even listening though, still no.
It's got
Now
some,
these.
got some dirt in this, so we need to clean it out a little bit. Just rub it.
My bubbly. Have you anyone?
Okay.
It's so free. It's my bubbly. It's so. I'm gonna push that tire. Ready to the post.
You're not busting it.
I'm
Can you
making
stop being
boost-
silly?
It's not that spiky. I know, I know.
Give me a
It's not-
screw.
Hey, oh that. Give me that hammer. I'm gonna do.
So,
I'm gonna cover.
screws back in the hole. Give me the other screw, please. Thank
Please.
you.
Can we see the hammer now?
No.
Why?
To pull it down. Get it in the hole. Bring the hammer. Squeeze. Tighten at the same time.
Oh, you're looking that. I know you're looking that. Yeah, have the hammer. Make it. Oh.
Where's it hole? Where's it gone? Where's the hole? Hold on, we need to take this side back out. We're not in the hole.
What's
There's the holes there. Okay. The hole is on that side somewhere. The holes were not made exactly how they should be. So we need to pull and stretch to get in the hole. On a bit of an angle. And hopefully when we tighten it up, it should flatten out.
Yeah, you don't even know.
Let's see, there we go. Now it's pulling it in. Is it pulling it in now? Yeah. That's pulling that side in. Let's tighten the top one.
For 1 second. Wait, well, for 1 second.
No, you can't take them.
Dunga 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 dunga.
They've just nicked my hammer. They've just cheekily nicked the hammer. That's it. You gotta be careful because you
Now we
don't.
have to hit it. Fight it.
They're not bolts, they just literally screw tight. So once they're tight, just leave them. If you keep twisting it, they'll just keep twisting. So once it's got a firm grip, it's tight. That's it. Just double check. Yep. Yep. Okay. Front are done.
That was so high.
The back ones.
Back there.
There you go. And it's literally just got one screw in it, and it holds in by these clips here. So what I'm gonna do is slide it on where it sits nicely there. So both sides are holding, and I think for extra bit of security, I'm just gonna put a black screw in the bottom here, just so it looks nice and neat. Okay, so go get a screw. So we've got a screw. I couldn't find a black one. I've got a silver one, but I can just touch it over. I'm gonna I'm gonna try screwing it where you can't see it under here. Oh. Oh. Does it come off that side?
Yeah.
To put it back in. It's just gone through here. Need to put it back in. There. Is that where it sits? Hmm?
I think so.
That better there, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Try holding it and screwing it at the center. Aha! We got it that time. That's it. It's nice that you can't even see it. If you come at the back here, the screw is hardly noticeable. You don't really need the screw, but I've put in for extra security. Right, okay. So let's get this side in. That's it. It's got like little clips. I don't know if I mentioned that before. These little clips here. So they literally grip on the inside of the bumper. And it's only got this screw here. And I don't think that one single screw will hold. That's why I'm putting a screw at the bottom to keep it lifted. Come here, Harry.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No, nothing. That's it. It's nice and snug there. It's got our screw.
No, don't go back. What?
Screw it in there.
I'm ready.
Let's see if I can hold it. Screw it at the same time.
You don't have to go the light here.
Okay. That got it. Oh. Is it even? Oh no, it didn't even go into the bumper. So I need to screw it back out. Screw it in more of an angle. Hold on, let's see what's going on back there. Let's come more in. There's not much. Gonna have to make another hole here. That one's not near enough yet. Oh, tighten. Okay, that's got it this time. Make sure from the inside.
Are you serious? Are you doing this again?
Okay, that's done now.